So the light's flashing to say that it's ready to pair, and the other one isn't doing anything at all at the moment, but that's because the first one is, I think. Anyway, let's see how we get on. Now, there's a little bit of blue under there which we've got to peel off, because that's covering the battery terminals. So the battery life that's in the pod is what was in there in the factory. They haven't been connected to the base whilst they've been in transit, so we'll just peel that one off as well. And that means now that I can actually put it back in the case and reset them, and then we can go and try pairing them up with my phone or something, and we can actually see if they work, or at least I can. I am sure you'll just have to take my word for me you just have to take my word for it if they're working, because I really can't make you hear it, or can I? We'll find out later. See what's what. Anyway, that's there. That's rather nice. That short clip shut, and as you can see, they're now charging. I'm quite impressed that they've actually come out of the box and they've got charge in them. And when we connect it up, we'll probably be able to see how much. Anyway, okay, there we go. Just take them out again, and then we'll go over and pair them. It's just like Christmas when you get it all out like this. A nice little pile of stuff which we can have a proper look round. Now all I've got to do now is pair these to my phone, which I thought I'd show you. So it says come out. They're a little bit slippery because they're brand new, but they feel nice. They've got a little bit of heft to them. I love the case. I don't know if you can see it there, but I showed it you a bit earlier on. It's got a sort of a leather feel to it, sort of a vinyl feel to it, rather than just shiny plastic. So it should be good. And also, the buds are held in magnetically. So just going to see if I can. They're now in pairing mode. So I'm just going to go into Bluetooth and pair new device. Soundpeats 2 instantly found. Pair. I've tried it and it says it's active, and they've got 60% battery, and that's straight out of the box. So that's pretty good.